What if I told you some motorcycles can outrun million-dollar supercars? Today, we're counting down the 10 quickest bikes ever made. Number 10. Honda CBR 1000 RRR Fireblade SP. Honda's flagship superbike combines MotoGP-inspired engineering with incredible acceleration. Number 9. BMW M 1000 RR. Built for speed and racing, the M1000RR delivers explosive power and razor-sharp performance. Number 8. Aprilia RS V4 Factory. A V4-powered machine that offers thrilling acceleration and world-class handling. Number 7. Yamaha YZ-FR1M. One of Yamaha's greatest superbikes, featuring race-bred electronics and blistering speed. Number 6. Ducati Panigale V4R. Italian engineering at its finest, with breathtaking acceleration and an exhaust note you will never forget. Number 5. Suzuki GSX-R 1000R. A legendary superbike known for its balance, reliability, and impressive straight-line speed. Number 4. Kawasaki Ninja Z X14R. A high-speed legend that has earned a reputation as one of the fastest production motorcycles ever built. Number 3. Suzuki Hayabusa. The Hayabusa changed motorcycle history with its incredible speed and remains one of the world's most iconic hyperbikes. Number 2. Lightning LS218. An all-electric superbike capable of astonishing acceleration and a claimed top speed of 218 miles per hour. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. With its supercharged engine producing over 300 horsepower, the H2R is one of the quickest and most extreme motorcycles ever created. From the legendary Hayabusa to the insane Ninja H2R, these motorcycles prove just how far engineering can push the limits of speed. Which bike would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Jonavids for more incredible motorcycle and automotive content.